In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove collaborators from an Asana project using the current Asana interface. Whether you're cleaning up access or adjusting team membership, I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips to keep everything organized and secure. First, open your project. From the left sidebar, click Projects, then select the specific project where you want to remove a collaborator. If you work across multiple teams or workspaces, double-check that you're in the correct one by glancing at the name at the top of the sidebar. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the project section clearly. Opening the correct project ensures you're managing access in the right place and prevents accidental changes elsewhere. With the project open, head to the top right corner of the screen to access the Share controls. Click the Share button or click the small V drop-down next to the project name. Both lead to the same Share panel. This panel is where you manage who can see the project and what their role is. If you don't see the Share option or it's grayed out, you may not have permission to change access. In that case, contact a project owner or admin to make the change for you. Inside the Share panel, look for the Members section. This is the list of everyone who currently has access to the project. Scroll through the list and locate the person you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm it's the right person by checking their profile icon and the role label next to their name, such as Can Edit or Can Comment. It's worth pausing here to avoid removing the wrong collaborator, especially in larger teams. When you've found the correct person, move to the right side of their name and click the V drop-down, sometimes shown as a role selector. From the menu that appears, choose Remove from Project. There's no need to adjust any other settings. This choice removes their access immediately. Once you confirm the removal, the change takes effect right away. The collaborator will no longer see the project, its tasks, or receive updates related to it. Their notifications tied to this project will stop, helping keep their Asana workspace clean. If you need to bring them back later, you can return to the Share panel and re-invite them at any time. That's how you remove collaborators from an Asana project quickly and safely. Regularly reviewing your members list helps keep sensitive work limited to the right people and reduces unnecessary noise for your team. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share, and thanks for watching.